Hey, what's going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. And let's see what we're working on here. Let me see. Let me move myself out the way. Let's zoom in here. What happened? Oh, come on. All right, that's got to be the original. Here we go. There we go. Blazing 8s, baby. So what I want to do is I just want to print this, right? So I have it up on my screen, as you can see. Have it up on my screen. And I'm playing. We're going to highlight everything. We're going to Control G to group it. I'm going to open up a whole new document by pressing this plus sign right here. And then let me go back to my Blazing 8 document. So I did group it together, but now I want to Control C and copy it. And the reason why I grouped it first and then copied it, because if I tried to copy it, it's going to try to copy all of this stuff one by one. Going to try to copy all of that. Then when I go to paste it, it's going to do all of that. Try to paste all of those little pieces, right? But when you group it all together, then you copy it. Then you bring it to your new document. Then you paste it. It pastes it as one. And let me show you what I'm talking about when you do it the other way. Just so I can show y'all. Because we're here to learn, right? That's what we're here for, right? Let me show y'all. So we're going to click on it, and I'm going to Control U to ungroup it. Now watch this. Watch how long it takes to copy. When you highlight everything and hit Control C. If y'all hear someone talking in the background, that is the lovely Toya T. Like, she called me on her lunch break, and she was smacking in my ear, like, while she was eating her food. All right, it copied everything, right? Now let's go to this new document. Watch how long it takes to paste. Watch this. Control V. All right, love. You about to return back from your break and go back to your job?
Yep.
All right. I'm just here on YouTube doing my video, and I'm out. Oh,
all right, love you.
Love you too, baby.
All
right. But do y'all see how long it's taking for it to paste this document? Do y'all see how long it's taking for it to paste everything versus when you grouped it, when you grouped it, then copy it, and then paste it? That's how long it took. I was able to have a whole conversation off on the side, and that's how long it took. But we don't need this one, because that's not the one I just did it twice just to show y'all. Oh, nope. No, hit no right here, boom. All right, so we go to Untitled. Let me click in the white area on the space on the side, and then let me click, and then Control U to ungroup everything. Click off to the white area on the side, and I'm gonna click right here, and then I'm gonna click over here in the design wizard on our first select same size boxes. So the first box here, it is select same size. I want to select all of the circles that are the same size, like so. Boom. I want to click back over here into CorelDRAW up here in this area here. Then I want to press delete. And there we have it. Let me slide that up and over and out the way. So that's pretty much the design right there, folks. As you can see, there's an outline here. We can change that there. There's teeth down here. We can change the teeth to yellow. And what I want to do is, I'm thinking of leaving it like just like this because it is black. The shirt that let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So they want a Blazing 8 shirt, but they didn't want any rhinestones. So we're about to do this in DTF. Let's highlight everything and then go to our mockups tab. We want to go to men's shirts and then t-shirt front. And then let's apply that graphic to our mockup. There we have it. I'm going to move it up some, position it where it's going to be, change the shirt to black, right click to give it highlights, and that's fine right there. That's dope. Dope boy magic. But I would think, oh, why did I have it clicked on simulate stones? All right, let's get rid of this mockup real quick. Take off simulate stones and boom, there we go. Change the shirt to black. Right click on the white to give it the highlights, the shading. And what I'm going to do, all I'm going to do is change the eyeballs to white, and then change the teeth to white. And then let me, boom, export. We're going to name it Blazing 8 No Stones 1. I'm going to export that PNG. I'm going to export that PNG into my mockups and then move right along to the next one. Now with this next one, I might change this inside to yellow. Keep that blue like that. This can really, let's go red here. Like so. And still look like it's too much for Mr. Incredible. That look like there's too much yellow up there. I really the highlights. Oh, just itching. Woo. So what I would probably do is I would probably do it just like this. Boom, white. Yeah. Yeah, and then go black on the inside. Ooh, that's subtle like that. I like it. Well, name that number 3. Export that as well. Save it. Boom, boom, boom. Let it do its magic. Oh, 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 it's magic. You know. Let's change the shirt to yellow. We're going to right click on the black to give it this shading and tone. And then we're going to just go ahead and let's save that at number 4. Out the door with more with number 4. All right. Now, since I changed the color of the shirt, let's go back to page 1. What I want to do is I'm going to double click here. And I'm going to bring this in so that it closes off this gap here. Boom. And I'm going to do it again on the other side and close off this other gap over here. Now, the reason I pretty much did that is because this space right here is empty. All of this white space in the inside is empty. So I want to smart fill those places. In order to smart fill it, it has to be a closed area. So that's why I close these areas off. And sure enough, with all of this white, we can do so much. We can decide what color we want it to be. It don't all have to be the same color. We can go multicolor now. But what I want to do is I really want to select it all of the same color. This button right here in the middle. and change it to white. Then I'm going to right click on the X to get rid of any outline that was on it. And then we're going to weld it. So now, as you can see, if we highlight it and we mock it up again, we should be able to place this graphic, the same graphic here. Show y'all. Place it over here beside the other one. If I was to change the shirt to yellow now and give it the highlight, the face of the pool ball still stays white, as you can see that, because I closed off this area here and was able to fill in those areas in the inside with the Smart Fill tool. So now we're printing this off using DTF, which DTF uses white ink. We'll be able to successfully complete this shirt, full color graphics on a yellow t-shirt with the white flames. I love that. We're going to save both of these. In order to save both of them, the workspace has to be bigger. So let's just change the workspace to 40 by 40. I want to save both of those. Let's export them as Blazing 8 No Stones 5. All right. Got to go to my Blazing 8s group. And that way I can send this in the group. Bada boom, bada bing. You know what I mean? All right, let's go here. And let's go ahead and add some of the where we at? Blazing 8 No Stones. There it is. Let's go ahead and add that too. As y'all can see though, I want y'all to see. Let's add this to the chat. There we go. All right. I want y'all to see. Check me out. Because I've been growing my hair out. So y'all going to be with me on this journey because I'm about to start doing a whole lot more videos. But so every day I just go through this little twisting phase where I'm just a twisting. And then by the end of the night, I usually just pick them out because I don't feel like they necessarily long enough yet. Some people say, yes, they are long enough. And I'm like, well, I don't know if I want to start at this length. I think I want to be longer than this when I start. So I think I'm gonna actually grow it out to where I can do braids first, and then get some braids put in. But other than that, you've been rocking out with Excellent Dreamz. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. See, let me go back. Oh, I forgot I made my screen super huge. All right, so I was working on these Blazing 8 mock-ups. I will be sending this one of them to the DTF as soon as I get a corresponding back of which one my colleagues may want, my teammates may want. All right, I'll be back, y'all. I'll be doing videos for the rest of the day till I go shoot pool tonight, and I'm out.